Okay, so the pattern that we're going to do here is going to be just like this, which on this piece it's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I think that's 5 in the middle, 2 top, 2 on the bottom, 5 in the middle, and it keeps going on like that. We're going to wrap similar to that, but we're just going to start with the bottom. We're going to do 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top, 5 in the middle. Alright, so let's get started. You got your wires, 18 gauge, and then I use 26 gauge to wrap. So let's just start by wrapping 5 on here. And what I'm going to do is attach it and go from the bottom over the top. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be our middle wire. Let's see how that looks. If we think that's long enough for a middle section. Press it together. Maybe we'll make it a little longer. Alright, make it a little longer. Yeah, so let's make it 6 in the middle. And then we're going to take the bottom wire. And you've got this going on the bottom here. So just take your bottom wire, lay it on the bottom right next to it, and wrap this twice like that. Now you have it hanging there. And now we're going to do the top wire, add that on, and what we're going to do now is run underneath and go under this middle wire here. Grab that, and now wrap the top 2 twice. 1, 2. Alright. So you've got that. You can secure it down a little bit with a tool. And there we go. And now just continue that pattern. 6 in the middle. 1. Oops. Put the wire back there. 2 down. 3. 4. 5, 6. You can see what we're doing is going down, bringing it down, under, up, and over that middle wire. Down to straighten it out. And make sure you're done just wrapping around that middle wire. You did that 6 times, so now we're back on the bottom 2 here. 1, 2, and on the top 2. 1, 2, and then 6 are in the middle again. And 6. Now you're again. There's about the bottom just off to the side, open, and where what you're going to do, bring it down to straighten it out, and then up over bottom 2. Now in between this bottom one and the middle one, and over the top 2. In between the bottom and the middle, and over the top 2. Now a 6 in the middle again. And you're just going to continue doing this pattern until you have your desired length. So let's just continue on. 3. One more time here. 4, 5, 6. And you see I just really secure it with each round. With each time I put it through, I do it intentionally. Make sure it's secure, then secure the 6. And now the bottom 2. 1, 2. Now it's going to come up through the bottom in the middle and wrap around the top 2. Alright, so just continue doing that until you have a full length of the wire wrapped with that pattern. Let's continue doing that and we'll come right back. Okay, so here we are with the full length of the wire wrapped. And you see on one side it has the bottom being wrapped first, and if you kept the pattern consistent, on the other side you'll have the top being wrapped first. Now, there was a couple places on this where I lost my place and switched up the pattern, but once everything is wrapped in around a stone, it really won't be noticeable. So if you're going along with it and you make any mistakes, just go with it. You can either back up and take it out, or try to work with it and just change the pattern a little bit and move on. So there you are. Pattern, 6 in the middle, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. 6 in the middle, 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked the pattern that we learned and enjoyed it, learned something. Please like the video if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this and more jewelry making tutorials. Thank you.